Today was honestly one of those days where you just sit down at the charts, everything makes sense, and it delivers perfectly without any pullbacks, no headaches. So this is one of those days that doesn't come around very often as a trader. Usually it takes a lot more effort, energy, and patience to give you a move like today. But when they do come around, it really makes you appreciate these days. Today, we caught a very nice move over 130 points on the shorts for NASDAQ. It was a quick session because we got the trade pretty much right before 10 a.m. macro, and by the time we got to 10 a.m. we were already out of the trade. So, and after catching this trade, just called it a day and walked away. So quick day on stream, quick day at the office. I was copy trading this trade on 4 Top Step X XFA accounts, so walking away up about $2,000 across those accounts for this trade. Hope you guys enjoy. If you guys want to try Top Step X out for the first time, there is a 20% link in the chat that will give you 20% off your first combine purchase with Top Step for eligible customers. Appreciate you guys. Enjoy the recap. Here's where we are at on the daily time frame. And after yesterday's close, we did leave behind this daily inefficiency on both indices. So I am coming into today with a more neutral bias just because on the weekly, we obviously are not quite back to equilibrium of the range yet. So I still think overall that could be where price is headed. However, on the daily, after leaving behind this daily inefficiency, we just took previous day high overnight, and I could see us retracing down into here before continuing higher. So I guess if I had to pick, I would probably lean a little bit more bearish because of that. Not gonna lie, this 5-minute gap here almost looks a little tempting. It's just pretty early. We'll see if price can trade back into this level and then see if we can respect out of it. If we can, might drop down here and try to find an entry. Moving here, sell side and daily fair value gap. The level is 293. Just trade it back into that 5-minute gap here. So let's see if this holds. If this holds and we get another move lower, that's, to me, going to be a good opportunity to get short. We did SMT this high as well with ES. All right, we're leaving this 1-minute gap. I'm going to probably play this inversion if it happens. Let's see if it wants to give it to us right now or if we got to wait a little bit. It's crazy. Wow. Guys, I'm going to try this. Oh, I got slipped to a freaking terrible fill, to be honest. All right, guys, little hiccup here. So when I switched scenes on OBS, I must have had my microphone muted on this scene. So as I was entering the trade and kind of talking through some things, setting up my stop loss and take profit, was muted, unfortunately. How long have I been muted? Have I been muted this entire session? 3 minutes? What the fuck? I don't even remember hitting the button. Sorry about that. So far, so good, guys. I did get slipped to a, I don't know if you guys heard any of that commentary that I was just kind of talking a lot. I did get slipped to a pretty shitty fill, unfortunately. I was trying to enter on the close of this candle. I hesitated, and then like this candle jumped down right as I was entering, unfortunately. So I kind of got a less than ideal fill, but nice reaction here. Would like to see this stay pretty low resistance through these lows and towards that daily fair value gap. So first partial is going to be the low from yesterday morning that tapped into that breaker that sent us higher, and negative one standard deviations of the current range. So macro is starting right now, guys. So let's see how this last 10 minutes of the hour. I would love to see us reach targets by 10, honestly, in case we get a 10 a.m. reversal or around 10, very close to. Up 50 points, guys, currently. I think I will remove risk now because we're up over a up over 1R. So I just would hate to see red at this point. Getting ready to partial out here. There we go. First partial is taken. 293. I'll just set that there. All right, guys. Risk-free, partial if you wish. Nice move here, over 50 points. No complaints here. I'm trying to give this the opportunity to run at that daily fair value gap. I'm going to check the ES chart here quick. I'm going to set an alert on this daily fair value gap. Just in case ES beats NQ to the punch. NQ looks weaker though. This is good. This is good. You will never get this. You will never get this. Oh, we will, we will. Like the stream if you're enjoying yourselves. Look at this, boys. 100 points, guys, right now. Very nice move here. Like I said, I wanted to see target hit like close to 10 a.m. We're getting it. $134 points and counting. Look at this shit. Oh man, I love to see that. Yeah, get on your knees, Nasdaq. Get on your knees for me, Nasdaq. That's a great move, honestly. All right, guys, I'm gonna take that. This 1 minute candle just came down and took the low and started flipping green. I like that. I'm happy with that. 135 points on that. I'm not willing to endure any retracements. Got almost all the meat off that bone. Absolutely gorgeous. How about it, boys and girls? Very, very nice.